Welcome back to the FaxLab AI video series. Today, Grammarly. Did you know that 59% of people say they would you would not do business with a company that has obvious grammatical errors in its communications? That's a massive business risk. Grammarly is the AI writing assistant that eliminates that risk and tell. Let me show you how. First, let's install the Grammarly Chrome extension on your browser and go to Grammarly Chrome extension page. Grammarly, click Add to Chrome to begin the installation. Then select Add extension to confirm. Done. The Grammarly icon now appears in your browser toolbar. If you use Microsoft Word, download the Grammarly Office add-in and follow the installation step. Grammarly work everywhere you write, from emails and documents to professional networking and team collaboration platforms. Now let's see Grammarly in action inside Gmail. Let me type in boldly written uh, emails and watch Grammarly catch the issue in real time. Grammarly has underlined 9 issues in that short paragraph. Let me click on each one. First, Grammarly corrects capitalization and proper formatting. And next, it identifies the wrong word are should be our. Grammarly also fixed subject-verb agreement error. Yes. All fixed in just a few clicks. Grammarly Instant improve grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity while you write. Now let me show you how Grammarly can improve the tone and clarity of professional communication. This message is grammatically correct, but it sounds abrupt and may frustrate the customer. Let's use Grammarly AI writing assistants to improve the message. Grammarly can suggest alternative wording that sounds more professional and considered. Notice how the message becomes more customer friendly while communicating the same information. The meaning has not changed, but the tone is much more positive and supportive. Grammarly does not just correct grammar, it helps you communicate more effectively with customers, colleges, and stakeholders. For business users, Grammarly plagiarism checkers scan content against billions of web pages. This is essential for reports, proposals, and content submitted externally. It found 2% similarity and highlighted the matching page. We can rewrite the section to ensure complete originality and maintain professional standards. Grammarly helps you catch grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes in real time. It also helps you adjust your writing tone, making your emails, reports, and messages more professional and appropriate for any audience. And with its plagiarism checker, Grammarly helps ensure your work is original and ready for academic or professional use. Grammarly is free to use for every writing, while the business plan starts at $15 per user per month and includes advanced features for tournament organization. If you want to write with greater confidence and professionalism, Grammarly is an excellent tool to add to your workflow. Install Grammarly today at grammarly.com and start improving your writing instantly. Thank you for watching.